So Glenn, you're about to go ahead and embark on an interesting experiment here to go ahead and take down a Florida Power and Light pole.
Yep, this is our pole. In the last week, FPL completed putting my service underground, so this pole has nothing attached to it. Needs to come out. The first cut we're going to make is at about 3.5 feet off the ground. Just because it's easier to cut there makes the pole a little shorter. When it falls, we're planning on it falling straight towards the camera at this point. It's going to fall right in that yard and not hit anything. It's only going to take a couple of minutes.
Glenn has already made one small miscalculation. Before he even begins cutting, he fails to see that his pole is already listing several degrees to the right. And if he's not careful, that pole may not fall in the intended spot. Let's watch as he continues. How many power poles have you taken down in your lifetime?
With a chainsaw?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, probably 50.
Were they all intentional or were any of them accidental?
Oh no, they were all intentional. So we're just taking it off with a chainsaw and we're going to leave the stub in the ground.
Okay, fantastic. Let's get this show on the road.
Some oil in there for the chain.
The excitement is starting to build. He's juicing up the chainsaw. I hope the weather stays nice so we can get this done, and this will be an awesome experience. If you ever need anybody to come to your house and take down a pole, you'll know who to call.
This should be pretty interesting. Glenn's going to be in the process right now of using a chainsaw to take down an FPL power pole in his backyard. So I'm out here for one reason and one reason only, to go ahead and capture some awesome YouTube carnage. So we'll see if this happens.
Master Glenn has to take a little break right now. I thought he was going to catch the pole on fire. I thought that was his strategy. But now he's got to do something with his chain. But he's got it all under control. So it's getting very suspenseful.
The last second it decided to fall straight. We should have had a rope on it, but well, looks like I get to pay for some time.
How many power poles have you taken down in your lifetime?
With a chainsaw?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, probably 50.
Were they all intentional or were any of them accidental?
Oh no, they were all intentional. Oh no, they were all intentional.
Okay, so
it was leaning a little wrong, so I was worried about that, but I should have gone higher. So, I don't know. It's over now.
any final words? Looks like the damage was fairly minimal.
Yeah, depends on how much.
Could have been worse, could have taken off that whole wall.
Oh, yeah.
I think all you did was lose a couple of tiles on top.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of brand new ones right there.
Oh, piece of cake. Well, the good news is nobody got hurt. But the bad news is Glenn's got to go ahead and fix some tile. But it could have been a whole lot worse. This is Andy Browne coming to you from Venice, Florida, with a instant report on what could have been a significant disaster. We're out of here.